Hello everyone, episode 259, No Edits Crypto. I hope everybody had a nice Easter, celebrated with family and friends, and remember what it's all about. But into the news today, blockchain and cryptocurrency news for Monday, April 22nd, 2019. First story is about Serena Williams. Just a quick little blurb about her. Serena Williams, one of the world's most successful tennis players of all time, probably the most successful female tennis player of all time, has revealed in an Instagram post that she is an investor in Coinbase, the cryptocurrency exchange. Williams took to the social media platform late last week to announce her VC firm, Serena Ventures, which was secretly founded in 2014. In listing some of the investments, Coinbase was amongst those. So, pretty interesting story. Pretty one of the most famous athletes in the world. Definitely, maybe the most famous female athlete right now, and over the last decade or two. Investing in the future of cryptocurrency. Second story is you can now shop with Bitcoin on Amazon using Lightning. Bitcoin spinners, this is via Leah Cohen CoinDesk. Bitcoin spinners can now use the Lightning Network to shop at e-commerce sites like Amazon. Crypto payment processing startup Moon announced today that any Lightning-enabled wallet can now also be used through Moon's browser extension. Before this Lightning feature, roughly 250 beta users already used Moon to spend crypto on e-commerce sites by connecting the browser extension to exchange accounts like Coinbase. Moon CEO Ken Kruger told CoinDesk the extension will pop up a QR code and it will have a Lightning invoice, which you could also copy and paste if you can't use the QR code for some reason, and you'll be able to pay with your favorite Lightning wallet. To be clear, Amazon itself never touches Bitcoin. Kruger declined to specify which traditional financial institutions are helping to convert the Bitcoin to fiat on the back end so that Amazon merchants actually receive fiat currency for their wares. As a merchant as a seller on Amazon, I think this is pretty interesting and about time. So hopefully this is just the next step in them taking it without a browser extension. Third story is Bitcoin already outperforming NASDAQ, S&P 500, and gold in 2019. It's safe to say that Bitcoin is having a good start to the year. The cryptocurrency gained around 40% of its value since the beginning of the year. Interestingly enough, it is now outperforming the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, as well as most commodities including gold and oil. Bitcoin is often compared to stocks and traditional assets, particularly in terms of price valuation. As Bitcoinist reported last year, the cryptocurrency has managed to outperform the stock value of marquee companies such as Amazon, JD.com, and IQIYE.com. With quarter 1 2019 already in the books, Bitcoin USD has been performing comparatively better than a lot of traditional asset stocks and indices. Bitcoin price $5,365 at press time is up 40% so far in 2019. The NASDAQ 100, on the other hand, which is an index tracking the stock prices of many companies, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and so forth, is only up 22%. So obviously doing better by 18% than those others. Standard & Poor's 500 index, S&P 500, one of the most prominently used investment indexes on the market, is up by 17% since the start of the year, so 23% better than those. Bitcoin outperforms oil and other commodities. It's not just the stock market that Bitcoin seems to be dominating. Commodities are also behind in terms of price performance in 2019. Invesco's DB Commodity Index Tracking Fund, which is comprised of commodities such as heating oil, gasoline, gold, soybeans, corn, and so forth, has been growing in 2019, marking an increase by around 10%. Obviously, this is still nowhere near Bitcoin's performance. So, Bitcoin head and shoulders above everything else in 2019 so far. To the market, Bitcoin up 0.57%, $5,317. A slight slide yesterday in the alts, but Bitcoin held strong, held 5,300 really strong, and looks to still be climbing. Ethereum up 0.62%, $169.82. Bitcoin Cash up 1.96%, $290.05. EOS up 1.19%, $5.22. Litecoin up 0.32%, $76.17. Monero down 0.22%, $68.07. Dash up 0.64%, $121.20. Bitcoin SV up 2.22%, $57.50. Neo up 2.98%, $10.74. Ethereum Classic up 0.85%, $5.88. To Steem, which is up 0.05%, 41 cents. And lastly, Flash, which is up 8.79% at 0.0035. So Bitcoin dominance has risen to 52.7 cents in aggregate market cap, pressing forward back closer to 180 billion again at 178,429,700,000. It took a slight slide yesterday below 180 again, but overall trend still looks very bullish. Everyone, overall sentiment, even the bears, the major bears in this environment have been saying that they're starting to flip into a bullish sentiment. Everyone, enjoy your Monday.